everyone. I welcome you all to Focus of the Day session of ANALYST IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about the topic carbon dots. We will have this particular discussion in the following series. First, why it is in use, followed by about carbon dots, followed by prelims practice question, followed by mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about Polity class, which will start from 21st of November, CSAT class, which will start from 14th of November, and Current Affair class, which will start from 9th of January. And along with all these classes, there will be class for Public Administration optional. So you can inquire about any of the following course on the given number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on toward our discussion and see why carbon dots is in news. According to scientists, modern technology like nanomaterial or carbon dots might be the solution to environmental issues like water pollution. So this particular thing brings carbon dot into news. Now we will discuss about carbon dots. Carbon dots or series, they are the one of the youngest member of the carbon nanomaterial family. They were discovered in 2004 and have an average diameter of less than 10 nanometers. These dots show continuous and broad absorption spectra, intense fluorescent activity, excellent photostability, and highly tunable photoluminescence. Now we will see how carbon dots are formed. There are two ways by which carbon dots are formed. First one is top-down method. This approach converts large carbon structure into quantum-sized carbon dots by laser ablation, arc discharge, and chemical or electrochemical oxidation. The second method is bottom-up method. Carbon dots are produced from carbonizing small molecule precursor by pyrolysis, carbonization, hydrothermal process, or microwave assisted synthesis. Now you have to answer one question, that what is pyrolysis? This was previously asked in UPSC. Now we will see about the advantage of carbon dots. Carbon dots have garnered the attention of researchers mainly due to their convenient availability from both organic and inorganic material. Carbon dots have the potential to be used instead of quantum dots, which are more toxic and less biocompatible. Carbon dots, they possess remarkable optical properties which differ peculiarly based on the precursor used for synthesis. And they are inexpensive, highly biocompatible, and environment friendly. So these brings carbon dot into an upper hand. Now we will see about what is the difference between carbon dot and quantum dot. There are major differences, but the key differences are that carbon dots are small carbon nanoparticle, whereas quantum dots are small semiconductor particle. The second difference is carbon dots are used in bioimaging, sensing, drug delivery, catalysis, optronics, etc. While quantum dots are used in single electron transistor manufacturing, solar cells production, LEDs production, single photon sources, quantum computing, cell biology research, microscopy, and medical imaging. These are some important differences between these two. There are a lot of other differences also. So now we will move on about the potential application of carbon dots. They are used in pollutant sensing. Second use is contaminant adsorption. Third use is about water treatment. Fourth use is pollutant degradation. And fifth use is antimicrobial benefit. So these were some important points with regard to carbon dot. Now we will move on toward our prelims practice question, which says, with reference to carbon dots, consider the following statement. Carbon dots have the potential to be used instead of quantum dots, which are more toxic and less biocompatible Second statement is carbon dots possesses remarkable optical properties which differ peculiarly based on the precursor used for synthesis. You have to correct the right statement in these two statements. Your option is A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, and D, neither 1 nor 2. So if you have paid attention to this particular video, you can answer it easily. Write your answer in comment box. I will answer this question in my next video. Now we will discuss our previous question, which says, in the context of recent launch of Rohini 200 sounding rocket, consider the following statement. RH-200 is a two-stage rocket capable of climbing to a height of 70 kilometers, bearing scientific payload. Second statement is, the 200 in the name denotes the length of the rocket in mm, and the third statement was, the first and the second stages of RH-200 are powered by solid motor. So the correct answer for this particular question is answer C, that is 1 and 3 only. The 200 in the name denotes the diameter of the rocket in mm, not the length. Now we will move on to our mains practice question, which says, discuss the application of carbon dots. You have to answer this particular question in 250 words. Write your answer and send it to us on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned and stay updated with Analyst IAS. Thank you.